the mask is ready, and now I am going to be applying, because as you guys can see, I'm having a extremely bad acne breakout. Ooh, it's so cold, guys. So the first ingredient that I'm using, guys, is rice. I have just boiled this rice, and you have to boil it and make it really soft. So once it is extremely soft, like how I have made it here, you then have to grind it into a paste, which is going to look something like this. Just make sure that you have grinded it really well. If you need to, just add some water, but don't add too much water, otherwise the content of rice will become less in the face mask. And rice is really good when it comes to hydration and brightening your skin both. Okay, and this is going to be the base of the face mask. Then after that, I'm using this untouched, unprocessed and raw honey, and that is what you have to add. Now honey is also a really good humectant, so it will hydrate your skin. And then the last ingredient that I have here is turmeric powder, and that is it. Once you add the turmeric powder, just mix it. So this mask is going to hydrate your skin, brighten your skin, and if you have acne prone skin or you have active acne currently on your skin, it will help reduce the inflammation slightly. And what I do is, because it is summertime right now, what I do is I just keep this mask in the fridge for some time to cool a little bit and then apply. You don't have to do that. It is just, it feels really good to apply that. And then as you can see right now, I'm just going to mix it, and that is your face mask, which is ready. Guys, so the mask is ready, and now I am going to be applying it. So I did keep the mask in the fridge for some time, because as you guys can see, I'm having a extremely bad acne breakout. It's so cold, guys. This mask is really good if you want more brighter skin. If you are someone who has acne currently, you have active acne या कुछ भी होगा, so don't worry, just cool down the mask and then you can apply, and then not you can, then you should apply. ठीक है? There are actually so many other masks, जो हम कर सकते हैं with these homemade products. So I am going to show you so many. So let me know, guys, अगर कुछ आपको होगा particularly देखना. Also you must be noticing कि मैं थोड़ा सा हिंदी and English both बोल रही हूँ, because a lot of people on YouTube also follow me on Instagram, and they are telling me on Instagram ki please talk in Hindi also. So although Hindi is not something जिसमें मैं super duper comfortable हूँ, because I am a Maharashtrian, so at home we always spoke English or Marathi, so Hindi was never a thing. And now to think I'm dating someone who is North Indian is so funny, because when I was in school, okay, so I'll tell you this, when I was in school, I always wanted to date someone who was Hindi speaking. I don't know why. I am not kidding. Something is so either wrong with me or my videos, or something that I'm doing in I don't know what, because I was just watching a YouTube video abhi, and I forgot her name, but she literally started posting 3 months back, and in 3 months, okay, in 3 months she got monetized, and here I am 3 years. It's been 3 years since I started posting, and I don't know, people have not been watching my content, I guess. I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes and then I will wash it off. Now this face mask, oh my god, itna खुजली आ रहा है. Anyways, so this face mask is really good अगर आपको instantly glow चाहिए, you are going out somewhere and आपका skin type dry अगर होगा, तो you will love this face mask. Now rice is known to have tightening and toning properties for your skin and also brightening properties. But remember, guys, आपका जो skin है, the collagen layer, nothing that you apply from the outside really, or even if you're drinking something, you can only to a certain extent you can tighten your skin or tighten your pores, whatever. You have to understand that the true secret lies in your day-to-day activities, your smaller activities जो आप unknowingly करते हो, like how much water you are drinking. And on that note, I want to show you guys my new water bottle, which I not water bottle, this thing I got. I'm going to wait for some time. See, if you want, you can wait till this mask completely dries. And you know how rice, when you have khana and wo rice bachta hai haath pe, it sort of gets dry. See, something like this, right? So you can wait, the face mask will dry if you kind of just let it dry for that long. But honestly, I'm not going to do that because I do not got that kind of time, okay? I have a lot to do.
20 minutes later.
Literally just washed my face. I have not even tapped it dry. And can you tell? I'm not sure if it's visible on camera, but I really hope it is. My face is feeling very hydrated and very moisturized. which is amazing. I love it. And if you have dry skin especially, you are going to love this face pack. And also my skin is looking so much more brighter, because before this my skin was looking dull. Although near my eyes look tired, because I am under se tired, so I don't think anything other than sleep can fix that. But lately, honestly guys, I have been feeling that I might just have insomnia, because I do not get sleep and I do not know why that's happening with me. This face mask slash face pack is amazing if you want hydrated and a brighter looking skin. So if you are someone who has if you have dry skin, or B, you are someone who is applying a lot of acne ingredients like benzoyl peroxide, or you are taking tretinoin, anything that's going to dry your skin out, this mask you are going to love. Or even if you are staying in an area where the climate is really dry, this mask feels so hydrating guys. I don't think I need a moisturizer, and I don't know, I'm just shocked. So yeah, I think it's because, you know, we had rice, we had honey, so together it made the mask even more hydrating. In fact, if I had to compare it to milk, you know, the besan and milk mask which we had done a couple of weeks ago, I guess at this point, it is so much more hydrating than that. Besan, of course, is going to sort of suck excess oil and everything, so probably that's why that mask was not hydrating, but this is hydrating AF. And now I am going to get it ready and do my next video. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please subscribe, because I am going to come up with so much content and such interesting content that I'm going to blow your mind. Okay, so follow me here on YouTube, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.